Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a device to Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, open the Remote Desktop website. Open your web browser and go to the official Chrome Remote Desktop website. Look for the section that says Set up Remote Access and click the download button if you haven't downloaded it. Next, install the program. You need to put a software on your computer so it can connect to the internet securely. Run the file you just downloaded and follow the simple prompts on your screen. Click Accept and Install when the box pops up. Next, name your computer. Now, you need to give your computer a name so you can find it easily in your list later on. Type a name into the box on the screen, like Home Office or My Laptop. Choose a name that is clear and easy to recognize for your list. If you add many devices, names help you pick the right one. It keeps your list organized and easy to use. Lastly, create your secret PIN. The final step is to make a secret code that keeps other people out. You will use this numbers-only code every time you connect. Enter a code that is at least 6 numbers long into the two boxes on the screen. Click Start to finish the setup. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.